Welcome to Modern C++ 101, a new series where we explore powerful features, quality of life improvements, and best practices in modern C++. In this episode, we'll look at one of the cleanest upgrades in C++ 11, the range-based for loop. It lets you loop through containers without indexing, making your code cleaner and safer. You can even use it on your own classes. Stick to the end of the video to find out how. Here is the simplest form. No index, no checking for size and out of bounds bugs. Just clean, readable iteration. Now let's iterate over a map. This is the old way to iterate a map using iterators. The code becomes much simpler with range-based for loops. The elements of a map are key value pairs, so we use auto here. Much cleaner, right? Note that the loop variable item is a reference in this example in order to avoid creating unnecessary copies. But wait, did you know you can use range-based loops on your own classes? All you need is a class that exposes begin and end methods. Let's create a 4-byte integer wrapper class that can be iterated byte by byte. First, we create a struct that holds an unsigned 4-byte integer. Let's define an iterator struct that will store the currently pointed byte index. We need to overload a few operators to make the iterator fully functional. The dereference operator is the most important part. Here we use bitwise operations to extract the desired byte. Finally, we need to add begin and end methods to the wrapper class. Let's apply the for loop. Look how elegant is the final result using range-based for loop. For the purpose of our class, we could have achieved the same result by just returning an unsigned car pointers here, because pointers act like iterators. So let's get rid of this and return unsigned car pointers. We need to cast the byte variable to integer because it tries to print it like a character. That's it for today. Hit like and subscribe for more modern C++ made simple.